we are Smart World. Smart World members are Tony, Ian, Julia, and me. We will talking about taco. When you come to my house, my mother will make taco to you, and you will love taco. I'm sure you wanted to know about taco, so we will introduce to you. Hello, my name is Sarah. Do you know about taco? I will introduce to you. Please listen carefully. Taco is traditional Mexican food prepared around inside, including beef, pork, chicken, seafood, vegetable, and cheese. You can eat taco with taco sauce.
Hi, my name is Tony. I'll tell you about who eat taco and where we can eat taco. Long time ago, not many Koreans eat taco because taco is Mexican traditional food. So only Mexican eat taco in Korea because Mexican brought it into Korea. But now everyone loves taco and eat taco. You can eat taco in Little. There are lots of taco restaurants in Little.
Hi, I'm Julia. I love to eat yummy food. Do you want to know what is my favorite food? Everything. For me, food is my happiness. So, let me tell you about Mexico's yummy food. It's taco. My friend told about taco, right? So, let's find out when people eat taco. We can eat taco in every meal in Mexico, like Korean's kimchi. Mexican people are very proud of Mexican food, especially taco.
Hi, I'm Ian. Now I will show you how to make taco. This is taco's ingredients: tortilla, hard shell with fried beans, tomatoes, cheese, paprika, sauce, and how to make it. 1. Wash the all ingredients. 2. Cut the onions and put it in the water. 3. Cut tomatoes, cheese, and paprika in small pieces. 4. Cut lettuce about 0.4 mm to 0.5 mm. 5. Mix the meat and taco seasoning. 6. Put oil on the pan and make the tortillas hot. 7. Put every ingredient in the tortillas and roll it. 8. Put your cheese in the tortillas. 9. Eat.
Thank you for listening to our presentation.